labor duty and rights. That is why we are demanding peacefully to the government of India to be implement our demand charter of our labor bill, because we have submitted memorandum three times within these 4 years ago, and lastly we are going to submit this memorandum to Honorable Prime Minister of India, references to the construction basis for our labor upgrade act, and all this budget is to be granted for our labor upgrade acts for Karbi Anglong people, and we are doing this according to the ILO, means International Labour Organization chapter, about our fundamental rights and duties, that we are going to lift up the people of tribulation and famine and all the plagues, all the pandemic affected people or natural calamities. That is why we are needed this amount of budget to be sanctioned to us. And thank you so much about our press conference, and may God bless all our press release to be implemented. Not only words but in action is to be done, as actions is greater than our words. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Sri Bidasing Ropi. I, on behalf of Karbi Anglong Labor Union, my committee is DIPU at the rate of ILO, means International Labour Organization Committee, DIPU. Hereby, we have already submitted memorandum to the Honorable Deputy Commissioner Office. From this Deputy Commissioner Office, we are going to deal Honorable Prime Minister of India as our memorandum references. These references, we are asking our budget of the annual year's Finance Commission 2020-23 and 24 about the 250 crores. For this amount of 250 crores, we are not to be degraded, but we need upgrade act of the labor movement, because all the international labor organization is adopted. Each continental countries like India, subcontinental country, is our active member in the ILO, the headquarter Geneva, Switzerland, in African continent. More than 187 countries committed and adopted the ILO active members, is one example, the best leading role Indian subcontinent country. That is why we are already announced to the ILO Delhi Habitat Center, and the Delhi staff accepted us to form this ILO committee. And whatever our demand and issue for the labor problems of our Karbi Anglong districts, our Assam state government, as well as Indian government and the global affairs, we are going to do for the welfareness development of the world global economy, equal rights, duty and distributions of this International Monetary Fund chapter, as well as from the World Bank accounts that we have to be demanded according to our labor duty and rights. That is why we are demanding peacefully to the government of India to be implement our demand charter of our labor bill, because we have